Today we're going to talk about Slack. So at its core, Slack is a chat tool, right? So it allows you to communicate, hey Johnny, hey Sarah, what's going on? Communicate, that's fun through text, right? There's a mobile app, there's a desktop app. You can use it within your browser however you prefer, which is pretty nice. Now, what makes Slack a little bit more unique is channels that are part of Slack as well. So you have groups that are either public to your entire organization or private, such as maybe executive leadership would be a private group, right? And then they have larger channels, which might be projects that anybody in the team, in the organization can join and view, or there might be fun opportunities to communicate about content that is relevant to your industry, or you can even get hyper-focused, like specific type of content within a specific part of your industry. Like maybe you're targeting or you're really interested in one particular type of client that you are going after, or some type of technology. You can make a channel just for that. And so anything about that specific piece of technology can be shared within that channel, and people will get an alert and know exactly what the content's about. Whole lot of articles out there. So if you have so many channels, it could feel a little overwhelming, but it's really not, because it's so hyper-focused. Imagine if instead of having your email inbox with you have to kind of visually figure out a way to understand what every single junk and non-junk and subscription-based thing that you've ever received was about, because you just see a list of information. And Google has done a great job of trying to isolate different buckets of type of information in your inbox. But for chat, what Slack has done is by giving you the power to create your own naming conventions, you can really have some powerful conversations that are very specific to you, your job, your industry, etc. But the other thing about Slack that we really want to talk about is the integrations. It integrates with Google Drive. Share a URL within Google Drive and it automatically identifies the folks within the channel that do or do not have access, and you can give it to them. I can simply do /Zoom and start a video conference with my folks in the channel and not have their devices ring like crazy, which is really quite compelling too. So really, I could even start a poll and just say tacos, pizza, or sandwiches, and then the whole organization can respond within the interface without having to leave it. So Slack in its whole, simple, elegant, beautiful tool to use, really nice way to communicate. Thanks.